What's going on, everybody? What go on? So this is just a vlog. Yeah, piece of the vlog we'll make put up. So you know, everybody knows say I'm gonna be tomorrow on Monday, today's Sunday. I'm gonna be 40 weeks tomorrow. Keep on the cover, yes, sorry, because I wish this is over where the screen is. So anyway, so yeah, tomorrow I have an appointment, a doctor's appointment. So I say, okay, let's do a little vlog leading up to the appointment and then leading up to the whole, you know, labor and delivery and everything like that. So yeah, today my hair is a mess. This is what I'm going to do now. I go dye. I don't know if you can see all of them blocks up here, you know, so I go dye my hair, wash it and stuff like that, vinegar it and everything like that, and then I dye it and then I go start twist it up. So that's basically what I do today. Zimmy, and yeah, just do some stuff on the computer right now, and that's about it. So not much to do today, Sunday. We already have food cook and stuff like that, but that's about it. Hope everybody doing good. Hope everybody feeling good. Hope everybody I keep safe. I keep them sorry. I keep them social distancing and all of them things. They call the COVID coronavirus thing is on a different level. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how me actually try to attempt to really retwist, or I'm gonna lock some of them. Lock my hair. Yeah, so that's how it is. The end is a different color. Yeah. Alright. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I just get started on this locks right here. I already do it, make sure say it's not fully dry. Not fully dry to do it, because otherwise you're gonna break your ear and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put it into sections and then I just do it section by section. That's the easiest way. I have the lock. I think I'm gonna lock as much as I can. If not, I twist the rest of them. Hey Leo.
Hi Mom.
Can you say hi? Hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yeah, so yeah, I may have some little bead shells I'm gonna put in as well afterwards. I'm gonna use drum with the castor oil. This is lavender because I can't stand the full black castor oil. I put some into this hot water and some olive oil, so I go spray as I go along, so make the hair keep moist. And that's about it. So let's get started. I have my mirror I use right here, and of course I watch some YouTube videos at the same time. Okay guys, so I'm finished. I just put it up like this for now. We have a couple of them shell here in there. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna wrap it up. Tomorrow me kinda do it some more. My hair kinda tender right now. So I'm just put it up into a bun like this. Kinda they do something but elastic them. I'm gonna get different elastic buns because these ones keep on the burst. And you know make that sense. So I'm gonna get different elastic bun for style it. And then yeah, that's it. That's it basically. That's how it look. Good morning everyone. So we have the doctor's appointment today. Today I'm supposed to be 40 weeks pregnant. So because they had to rearrange my doctor's appointment last week, I have to go in for this one. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all doing good. Today's very nice. Even though we have to quarantine ourselves same way. But yeah. We just head out. Me alone. Obi normally come with me for the appointment, but because the appointment is a little bit different and me alone can go in anyways, so you know, make no sense for him to come. Alright, let me see if I can put up the camera here. Hold on. Today what I'm hoping for is I'm still have to take down the camera here because it's so big. The police they probably have a problem with it. But anyway, today what I'm hoping for at this appointment is to get a cervix sweep. Yeah, to get a cervix sweep, which will help with going into labor naturally. So hopefully we get that today, and within, sometimes them say it work for some women within like the next 48 hours or so. And can you imagine we have a next child in the next 48 hours after this. But anyway, yeah, so with that now, hoping to get the sweep done and just to do regular check, basically check baby's heartbeat, hear the heartbeat is, what the speed of the heartbeat is, basically. I think that's what and yeah, not too much worry about no weight or nothing or whatever, because you know what, I'll do whatever I need to do for my baby to grow. So yeah, the main thing is the cervix sweep. That is the main thing. Alright, and I think I have to stop on the road coming back home. One store, that's it there. I keep it as a limit, as one store to buy some yam and banana and stuff and all of those things. But yeah, yes people. Alright guys, so I just finished the appointment, and basically there's no one in the clinic, and people just are calling people that has them appointment for coming one by one and stuff like that. So yes, I did get my sweep also, which is what I'm so happy about, which is just a little bit more still, but me work with that. I'm already 1 centimeters, about 1.5 centimeters dilated, so you know, things are rolling, right? And she did do the sweep as well, so it was painful. I don't remember if I did get the sweep with Leo. I don't remember at all, but yeah, it was, you know, it was painful, man. But we get the sweep. Well, we discuss about the induction and all of those things. If by Monday, the next Monday coming, which is my next appointment, if at that time, you know, before that or at that time I go into labor, then we have to come up with a plan about the induction. But the thing that I don't like though, because I had a previous emergency C-section, she keep asking me, oh, you still want to go ahead with the VBAC? So I say yes, I don't want to do a C-section, you know what I mean? So with that, I don't like that. Pretty much every visit they keep asking me that, like, listen, I don't want to go through an C-section. It was difficult, I don't want to deal with that. Anyway, so she said, okay, would you think about the induction then? With the induction with my last pregnancy, it lead to the C-section because the baby heart rate was going down. But I had an epidural, so I couldn't come out of bed. I couldn't do anything basically, so I had to stay in the bed. So I couldn't walk around to help with the induction to make gravity do its own thing. So I think with this one is the next option is I'll probably do the induction, but hold off on the epidural as long as I can, and really as like I really don't want the epidural. And next thing, because I had a injury of my tailbone, so down there is not fully healed, so I really don't want touch or deal with anything down there. So we just hold off on the epidural as long as I can and try to make gravity do its thing with the Pitocin, which is the induction medicine, and see if that will help a little bit more, because walk around doing lots of different movement and stuff it will help labor instead of just lying down and let it do its course basically. Yeah, so everything went well. Baby is moving good. Baby heart rate is great. Baby is definitely head down, right? And she said the cervix is open, so that's a plus. So I'm happy about that as well. And so may have a next appointment on Monday, and we see how that goes. Hopefully me go into labor before that time. I would be really, really happy. Anyway, let me get out of this parking lot. The parking lot empty. It's really empty. Okay guys, so I'm in Walmart right now, and the place empty. Barely any people in here. I just quickly grab an exercise ball. I'm supposed to help with labor. I did have an exercise ball, but for some reason that one isn't stay blow up basically. I don't think this is the right section. I don't think so. Anyway, may I quickly grab that and 2 other things, and then that's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm gone. Alright, I already sanitize my basket. And I already have sanitized upon that paper here. So I'm into the exercise side now. Let me see if I can find it. Please be here. I'm gonna think it there now. I'm really gonna think it there. Oh, I think they're right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna take up one and see how that go, and then head out, because I don't want to stay in here too long. Otherwise on that, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so making some festival. Nice festival. So that look nice. Come on, that look nice. And it tastes nice too. Okay guys, so I just finished do a little mini maternity photo shoot. So hubby helped me out with that, and this is our little setup right here. Little green screen setup, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the pictures then. This is the outfit we have on. Yes, so cute that. Yes, I know. So yes, I'm kinda excited. Okay, alright, calm down, Shana. Calm down. I don't know what I'm to you. Anyway, later. Some nice upstairs. I'm about to cook up now. I'm sure I'm cooking it down. Yes. So that looks good. Well marinated and nice. Okay guys, so the oxtail is done. Do you see that? I see how that look. Rice and peas. Look at lettuce and tomato. Something simple. But look how that look. With the lima beans. And trust me, it tastes good too. Okay guys, hi. Today is March the 29th, I think. Today I'm about 40 weeks and about 6 days. And yes, I have one more appointment, doctor's appointment. I'm gonna see how dilated I am, and if I need one more cervix sweep, so we check out. They'll tell me how that goes. Right, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm editing right now. Right, and see how that go. I'm gonna let you guys know. Alright. Yep, so I'm editing now. This is the baby bump. You see it? Huge. This baby is so comfortable, it seems like they don't want to come out. Very huge. Right? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the appointment and I'm a little bit sad about it, you know what I mean? Because last week I was 1 centimeter dilated and this week it barely moved. So I should say 1, maybe 2. So it's basically the same. And the max they basically go to is 41. I think 41 and 3 days, that's the max. So today is Monday and on Friday she said that I'll get a balloon to help with the induction first, and if that helps then they will go from there to give me the Pitocin. If she said sometimes only the balloon alone will just work. So hopefully if me get that. Okay guys, now worry about this. Like my face a breakout in all kind of something women really enjoy right now. But anyway, so since as I'm not dilating or anything like that, which I thought I would be, especially with the second pregnancy, I went ahead and ordered essential oil that's supposed to help with induction, and them say don't use it until you come to the ending of your pregnancy and want to use it. Otherwise early on in the pregnancy it can trigger off going into labor early, so which it's a good sign to use at the end if you're having difficulty going into labor. So basically this oil is called Clary Sage, I think that's if I'm pronouncing it right. So I ordered it online and may I wait to get the call to come pick it up right now. It's around into my ear. May I go pick it up. I was gonna buy it off Amazon, but it say to pick it up to get it tomorrow or by Wednesday or something, but I want to start using it today, and since today is Monday, I want to be able to start to use it before Friday where them say they want to induce me. And so far when me call 2 places, one of them closed, one of them is a wholesale, and they have told me like yeah it's really good for contractions and stuff like that. It's a female hormone type of essential oil. So me just wait on a call now. Hopefully this help, pray to God to this help, and yeah, we see how it go. And if it work, me come back to you and tell you when me pick it up and show you how it look. I forgot what size me get. I think it's 5 ml. I think so. I don't remember. But me let you know. I'm making you guys know how it actually work. I may probably do a little video of it as well if people are experience a lot of problem going into labor because them overdue and stuff like that. So keep watching. Alright. Okay guys, so I just pick up the essential oil to help with the induction. Right, with the whole social distancing thing, they're closed, so I have to go to the back. Them kind of have a little better procedure for you to pick it up. She said I'm gonna get a lot of usage out of this one. This is how small it is. It's a 10, yeah, 10. I think you can see it, but anyway, hopefully you can see it over there. So. But anyway, it's 10 ml. So it's supposed to rub on your body, most like your abdomen, your belly area, wrap right around to your back. You can put it on your ankle. You can rub it on your leg as well, but don't use this only. It's supposed to use about 1 teaspoon. Mix it in with like coconut oil. She says the best thing to do with it, and she said it does help a lot. A lot of people say yeah it does help, and I am I wouldn't say I'm excited to use it, but it smells good so far. So I want to see if this really help. Hopefully it does, and that's all we need. That's all we need. I pray that's all we need. So I paid 34.60. I don't know why there's $33 on it, but anyway, $34.65, and I had to do e-transfer because of the whole can't go in at the store type of thing. So I had to do an e-transfer. Right, so it's a little bit pricey, but for this price, for labor for start before going in, before getting the induction, I will work with it. I honestly will work with it. So I'm gonna go home. I already have coconut oil that is not open, a natural coconut oil that is not open. So I'm gonna go home and use that one with this oil and see if it see if it it helps. Just a look if my park wrong probably do, but anyway, see if that helps. So may make you guys know if it help or not. I just hate how my face look. This whatever was right here, bump, break out and stuff like that, it gone, but now it leave this dark spot. So now me have to get something to clear up my skin. That's a whole different story. Alright guys, continue watching and me tell you how it goes so far. Yeah, alright, later. Okay guys, so it is now 5:19 p.m. in the evening, and I come home and everything like that. Me get ready. Me have the coconut oil. I'm not sure. Coconut oil that me use if this I go. Oh, good lighting. Anyway, coconut oil that me use with the Clary sage oil, essential oil. I'm gonna put about 5 to 6 drops in there with the coconut oil. I'm gonna rub my back, I'm gonna rub my belly, I'm gonna rub some on my ankle as well, both ankles. So we'll see how that work, if that make any difference. Right now, me keep watching it, and we see. We just get like on and off contractions that I've been feeling before, but that's about it. But me keep a track of it. Me keep a track of the time right now, and me keep a track how many me get, if it's different or more than what we normally we get. But the camera now focus more than what we normally we get, so me keep it in check with that. All right. Good afternoon, everybody. What's going on? So today is the 1st of April, and yes, I'm still pregnant same way. So I have up until Friday I think 8:30. If the baby don't come, then want to do it induce me by using a balloon first, I think, something like that. I don't know exactly what the medical term them call it, but anyway, right now me just pull up at the ultrasound place. I'm gonna get an ultrasound done because they recommend, like, when me go overdue to a certain amount of time, they want to make sure that everything is alright. So I'm here now. About the next 2 minutes me are heading, and with the whole corona thing, Obi can't come, my husband can't come because I am the only one can go in. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog with all of the days them and stuff like that from last week I put together, and basically I'm supposed to give you guys an update on the Clary sage essential oil, and also my ultrasound appointment. So with the Clary sage, when I bought it that same day, I used it twice, rub my belly and my abdomen, my leg and stuff like that. I did not really feel any out of ordinary contractions or any stronger contractions. Me never really feel anything more than just the regular 1-2-1-2 contractions. So that being said, maybe you need a little bit more time to kind of work inside that you go through your system and all of that. So what I did yesterday is I had a bath with some of the essential oil into it, plus I put some of the essential oil into my diffuser, and I run it into the bathroom while I was having a bath. I was just put on some kind of birthing motivational speech, something just kind of calm me down and make me relax, and now if you think about so much thing, induction, C-section, what could go wrong and all of those things. So that's what I did yesterday. So far today I've been feeling a few more contractions, and I'm not sure if it's because of the Clary sage, because coming on before I had my bath with the Clary sage yesterday, I did do some workout as well, some labor induced workouts as well, and may I tell you, people, my legs sore, my arms sore, right? My legs sore, like, whoa man, like me can barely walk, like my legs really sore, and I didn't really do too much, you know. But me I tell you, man, the squats them kind of have me away. So yeah, me did do that. So I don't know if that kind of help contribute to some of the contractions that I feel. No, they're not so regular. They mostly feel like when we used to have terrible period pain. that's how I feel. And if me sit down and me about to get up, me can't just bam and get up like that. Me have to just take my time and get up and just kind of breathe out a little bit. So I'm not too sure if the Clary Sage kind of help me, or I probably need a little bit more time using it. I'm gonna use it tomorrow again and see if that help. I don't know why I touch my face all kind of something. Anyway, at least me there. The next thing is my appointment went well today with the ultrasound. It was really good because the baby's active, baby's practicing breathing because they were watching the lungs to see if it was going up and down, which she explained to me and all of those things. Baby heart rate was about 121, 122, which is good when them get, yeah, when it's time for labor, them heart rate go down a little bit, but not down to the point that there's a risk or anything like that. So his heart rate is doing good as well. The fluid, they check the fluid to see if the fluid is at a good level. I don't really know, or them really know all of that, but anyway, they say it's perfect. Them give me an estimate of the baby weight, and they said the baby weigh about over 8 pounds or so. I'm like, okay. all right, which I keep it in my head, so like about 7 something, right? With Leo weigh about 6 pounds and 14 ounces, so he was on the smaller side. So with this baby, let's see, maybe 7 pounds and 14 ounces, who knows, let's see. But yes, that everything went okay. Everything is perfect. I'm just feeling a few more contractions now, and I'll probably make a separate video on the Clary Sage as well and share the benefits and stuff like that. But yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my other videos later. Alright, I'm gone.